Joining us live from the NYSE is Bakkt CEO Gavin Michael. Gavin, thanks so much for being with us today. Now, before we get into your business, as I mentioned, it is a huge week for ETFs and the crypto community. That first Bitcoin ETF begins trading, debuts tomorrow. What does that mean for your business and the ecosystem at large?
So I think it just starts to legitimize the ecosystem in a broader sense. You know, we've been looking for ways for people to have exposure to the asset class without necessarily owning it, and an ETF will start to set that up. For us, you know, we remain focused on providing utility to these assets in people's everyday lives, making it easier to sell, spend, buy, hold these assets and bring them to life in new and interesting experiences.
Right. And Gavin, I was looking at the investor presentation, and you guys are projecting that the app Bakkt will amass more than 30 million users in 5 years. That is a big number. It's ambitious. It puts you alongside the likes of much older fintechs like Square Cash and PayPal, Venmo, Robinhood. Where are you guys at now in terms of active users? And do you still see yourselves getting there?
So when we look at the way in which we approach the market, we're very much a B2B2C company. We're a platform that allows people to be able to provide access to their digital assets in new and innovative ways. So when we talk about how we acquire through our partners. And we've got some great partners out there. Choice Hotels, we've just recently launched them into our platform. Wyndham Hotels, we've just done a terrific opportunity with Finestra, which is allowing us to access community banks and credit unions with crypto assets. So when we look at the way in which we approach the market, it's through this lens of B2B2C.
And Gavin, how many users do you have currently?
We haven't disclosed yet. We have our first Investor Day coming up, and that's when we'll start talking about the key performance indicators for the company.
Gavin, are there levels of volatility, meaning a price at which it would either soar to or collapse to, that would make this model a little more brittle?
Not really, because the volatility is really helpful for us because it's bringing people into our platform, into our ecosystem to engage with us. So whilst we see the volatility in the broader environment, for us, it's less about the day-to-day pricing, and it's about how people are interacting with the assets.
Right, Gavin, you say the volatility is helpful for you guys as a platform, but not necessarily when users are thinking about actually spending cryptocurrencies. Are you seeing more people spend using Bitcoin versus Dogecoin, for example, or other cryptocurrencies? What are they actually spending, and are they doing it in a significant way?
So at the moment, we only list Bitcoin as part of the platform. So when we look at it, what we're starting to see is we provide a very easy entry point for customers into the crypto space. You know, it's not intimidating. We don't charge transaction fees, so it's an advantaged place as well. So when we think about bringing people into our platform, we're really focused on a great customer experience, on making it economically viable, and in providing a way for them to engage that's non-threatening.
Right. So when you look ahead at what people are actually going to be spending, and you know, you have Adam Aron talking about accepting Dogecoin, how quickly are you working to get some of these other cryptocurrencies that might be more willing to be spent by users onto the platform?
So we're looking obviously at broader sets of tokens on the platform. It will always be several rather than several hundred when we think about it. But it's not just the crypto side that we're focused on. We support a range of assets, you know, loyalty points, hotel points, rewards points, as well as, you know, cash and gift cards. So when we think about the value proposition, it's about being able to see all of your holdings in one place, our ability to be able to work with our partners to create surprise and delight moments so they can inject new brand love into the loyalty programs that they offer, and really help them engage with customers in new ways.